Alrighty, but everybody, welcome back. Well, Raging Cajun back here again today. Sitting here at truck stop waiting for the wind to die down before I can get rolling. Decided to do another video for you of that Olsa Tools screwdriver and wrench holder deal thingamadooja that I got from Olsa. But nonetheless, it has really worked like a gem. It has held up on that side compartment where I placed it. So if y'all are in the market for it, I'm getting ready to show it. Show the end result of this tool holder. So I'm gonna spin the camera around. I'll be right back with you. As y'all can see, yes, that is the Altel 525L light. And that thing is bright. That's all my tools in the side box. That is the Craftsman VersaStack tool set. The 3-drawer, it's got 3/8, quarter, and 1/2 inch on it. But that's not while we're here. That's why not while we are recording. That little booger right there. All the tools have held up quite nicely in it after all the bumping and stuff, all the rodding. Well over 2,000 miles of driving from South Carolina all the way over to Calexico, California, and now back. It has not moved, not one bit. The tools have stayed in there. So if y'all are in the market for something like this, I would highly advise to go over to Olsa Tools and check them out. Quite nice. As y'all can see, it is Olsa Tools. It is the dark green. I think the tool holder speaks for itself. But nonetheless, and those nonetheless, I mean, it really holds up. There is the truck. Yeah, she's dirty. I just got her washed, but coming through the back roads down through Texas, well, that's the end result. There's the kitty cat in the window. But nonetheless, folks, that's gonna mark the end of this. That's gonna mark the end of this one. If y'all want to get those tool holders, I would highly advise it. They are definitely worth the money. But nonetheless, if you like this kind of content, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. Jackass over there decided he wanted to drown me out with his truck. That wasn't very nice. But this is the Raging Cajun. Y'all keep those wheels spinning, your beers grinning, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thank y'all and have a great weekend.